Hello, my name is Elvira Diaz from Next Generation Firewall Tag Team. Today, I want to show you how to establish FMC High-Availability. This helps us to ensure the continuity of operations. The High Availability feature allows you to designate redundant management centers to manage devices. The management centers support active standby high availability, where one appliance is the active unit and manages devices. The standby unit does not actively manage devices. Please consider that when the primary management center fails, you must promote the secondary management center to become the active unit. The requirements for FMC high availability are the following. The two management centers in high availability configuration must have the same major, minor, and maintenance software version, the same version of the intrusion rule, the same version of the vulnerability database, the same version of the LSP. If your FMCs are virtual, then you need to have the same license in both FMCs. No special license is required for hardware management centers in high availability pair. At first, you have to ensure that both FMCs are in the same version. Click System, then Configuration. Here you can see the software version. As you can see, my FMCs are in the same software version. Now, click on System, Content Updates. As you can see, my FMCs are the same vulnerability database version. Now, click on Rule Updates. Here, can see that the intrusion rule and LSP versions of my FMCs are the same versions. In both FMCs, click in Integration, Other Integrations. Click High Availability. Go to the management center that you want to designate as the secondary. On the role for this management center, choose Secondary. Enter the hostname or IP address of the primary management center. Enter a one-time use registration key in the registration key text box. The registration key is any user-defined alphanumeric value up to 37 characters in length. This registration key is used to register both the secondary and the primary management centers. If you did not specify the primary IP address, or if you do not plan to specify the secondary IP address on the primary management center, then in the unique NAT ID field, enter a unique alphanumeric ID. Consider that you need to specify the IP address of at least one management center to enable HA connection. Now, click Register. This warning asks you to confirm, then click Yes. Confirm that you want to register the primary peer. Verify that the secondary FMC status is pending. Now, go to the management center that you want to designate as the primary. Under Role for this management center, choose Primary. Enter the hostname or IP address of the secondary management center. Enter the same one-time use registration key in the registration key text box you used previously. If needed, enter the same NAT ID that you used during the secondary configuration. Click Register. This warning asks you to confirm. Click Yes. Confirm that you want to register for secondary FMC. Synchronization between primary and secondary starts. The duration depends on the configuration and devices. This process can be monitored from both units. While synchronization is taking place, expect to see the status as failed and temporarily degraded. This status shows until the process is completed. Once the synchronization is completed, the expected output is status healthy and synchronization okay. Thank you for watching.